Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Snapchat Spotlight. If you're using Snapchat and you want to use Snapchat Spotlights, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Snapchat app, and here you'll see the play option in the bottom right corner. If you are having an issue that this option is not showing to you, you have to open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to go for search and simply search for Snapchat. And you just have to try to update your app. You find the update, you just have to try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go ahead to your Snapchat app, and here tap on this play option in the bottom right, and you'll see different videos here. Now if you want to create or add your own video to Snapchat spotlights, let's see how can you do that. Just tap on this camera option. So where it was, you just have to try to create a new snap. So let's say I'm going to create a new one. Just select any filter which you want, and then keep a long press on it and try to create a snap or a video. So once you have done, you can edit it using this section here. You can add text or add songs. So let's say I have added text here. Now I'm going to add a song. Just tap on this music option and then select any music from here. So once I have selected, it will be set it on your video. After doing done, just tap on this send to option. Now in this section you'll see an option of spotlight. You must have to tap on the spotlight option here, and here just tap on OK option. Then tap on this share option again. So after that your video will be posted to Snapchat Spotlight. So in this way you can easily use or create a new Snapchat Spotlight. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.